we will see how to use the 1500 RPM 2-liter ceramic-coated magnetic stirrer. At the back of the magnetic stirrer we have the power socket, the temperature probe socket and the stand slot. Now we will take the stand and insert it into the stand slot. Then we will take our stand arm and the stand arm holder. We will loosen the screws of the stand arm holder on both sides. We will then insert the stand arm into the stand arm holder and tighten it in its place. Now we will slide the stand arm holder onto the stand and tighten it at our desired height. Now we will take our temperature probe and insert its connector into the socket at the back of the magnetic stirrer. Now we will insert the power cord into its socket. We will turn on the magnetic stirrer by turning on the switch at the back. To change the setting of the magnetic stirrer we will press the dial and the minutes option will start to blink. We will rotate the dial anti-clockwise to decrease the timer and vice versa. After setting our time we will press the dial to enter the next option. When RPM starts to blink we will rotate the dial to adjust the RPM of the magnetic stirrer. After adjusting the RPMs of the magnetic stirrer we will press the dial once again to enter the next menu. Then temperature starts to blink. We can adjust the temperature of the magnetic stirrer by rotating the dial. We will drop the stirrer bar into the beaker. To start the stirring and heating process we will long press the dial. When the stirring starts, screen will show the current temperature of the solution, RPMs of the stirrer and the time remaining on the timer of the magnetic stirrer. We will add some dye into the solution to better visualize the stirring process. Instantaneous mixing of the dye shows that the magnetic stirrer is working as intended. To turn off the stirring, we will long press the dial. Now we will fill an empty beaker with silicone oil. Then we will turn on the magnetic stirrer by turning on the switch at the back. Then we will set the settings to our desired parameters. We will turn off the magnetic stirrer by long pressing the dial. Your magnetic stirrer is ready to be used. Thank you.